Food business. A food business prepares and sells meals, snacks, desserts, or beverages from home while following local food safety regulations. It can include baked goods, frozen meals, homemade sauces, specialty drinks, or ready-to-eat dishes. Many entrepreneurs begin by serving neighbors, friends, and local communities before expanding their customer base through online orders and delivery services. Food businesses remain popular because everyone needs to eat, creating consistent demand throughout the year. Success often depends on quality ingredients, reliable service, attractive packaging, and recipes that customers enjoy enough to order again. As the business grows, owners may eventually move into a commercial kitchen or open a physical location. Handmade and craft business. A handmade and craft business creates unique products that are made by hand instead of being mass-produced. Popular items include candles, soaps, jewelry, pottery, knitted goods, personalized gifts, artwork, and home decorations. Each product reflects the creator's skills and creativity, making every piece feel more personal. Customers often choose handmade products because they appreciate originality and craftsmanship. Building a recognizable brand and maintaining consistent quality can help attract repeat buyers. As demand increases, many craft businesses expand by hiring assistants or offering a wider variety of products. Beauty business. A home beauty business offers personal care products or beauty services from a dedicated space at home. This may include skincare products, makeup services, nail care, hairstyling, eyelash extensions, or beauty consultations, depending on local licensing requirements. Many beauty professionals build loyal clients through referrals and social media. The beauty industry continues to grow because people regularly invest in personal care and appearance. Providing quality service, maintaining cleanliness, and staying updated with beauty trends help build trust and encourage repeat customers. A strong reputation often becomes the business's greatest advantage. Clothing and sewing business. A clothing and sewing business creates, repairs, or customizes garments from home. Services may include tailoring, dressmaking, embroidery, alterations, school uniforms, costumes, or custom-designed clothing. Some business owners also create their own fashion collections and sell them online. Every customer has different needs, making personalized service an important part of this business. Careful attention to detail, accurate measurements, and quality craftsmanship help build customer confidence. Many sewing businesses grow through word of mouth and long-term relationships with satisfied clients. Home bakery. A home bakery prepares baked goods such as cakes, cookies, cupcakes, bread, pastries, and other desserts from a residential kitchen while following local food safety regulations. Many home bakers specialize in custom orders for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and special occasions, allowing them to create unique products based on each customer's request. One of the biggest advantages of a home bakery is its relatively low startup costs compared to opening a traditional bakery. Success depends on consistent quality, attractive presentation, excellent customer service, and positive word of mouth. As demand grows, many home bakers expand into commercial kitchens or open their own storefronts. Laundry service. A laundry service washes, dries, folds, and sometimes irons clothes for customers who prefer to save time or cannot do their own laundry. Many home-based laundry businesses also offer pickup and delivery services, making the process more convenient for busy families, students, and working professionals. This business has steady demand because clean clothing is an everyday necessity. Providing reliable service, handling garments with care, and delivering clothes on time help build customer trust. Repeat customers often become the foundation of a successful home laundry business. Jewelry making. A jewelry making business creates handcrafted accessories such as necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings, and other decorative pieces using materials like beads, gemstones, metals, resin, or clay. Many jewelry makers design original collections that reflect their own artistic style and creativity. Customers often choose handmade jewelry because each piece feels unique and personal. Strong craftsmanship, quality materials, and appealing designs can help a jewelry business stand out in a competitive market. As the brand grows, products may be sold through online stores, craft fairs, boutiques, or custom orders. Flower arrangement. A flower arrangement business designs decorative floral displays for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, corporate events, funerals, and other special occasions. Arrangements may use fresh flowers, dried flowers, or artificial blooms, depending on customer preferences and the purpose of the design. Creativity and attention to detail are essential in this business because every arrangement is made to match a specific style or event. Building relationships with reliable flower suppliers and consistently delivering beautiful arrangements can lead to repeat customers and referrals throughout the year. Massage therapy. A massage therapy business provides therapeutic massage services to help clients relax, relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, and reduce stress. Depending on local laws, therapists may operate from a dedicated room at home if they meet licensing, health, and safety requirements. Professional knowledge, proper technique, and maintaining a clean, comfortable environment are important for earning client trust. Many massage therapists build long-term relationships with regular clients who schedule appointments as part of their wellness routine, creating a stable source of recurring income. Printing business. A printing business produces customized materials such as business cards, brochures, flyers, invitations, banners, stickers, labels, posters, and packaging for individuals and businesses. Modern home printing businesses often use professional printers and design software to create high-quality printed products. The demand for personalized printing continues because businesses, schools, and event organizers regularly need custom materials. Fast turnaround times, accurate printing, and consistent quality help attract loyal customers. As the business expands, owners often invest in larger equipment to handle higher volume orders and more specialized printing services. Plant nursery. A home plant nursery grows and sells ornamental plants, herbs, succulents, flowering plants, vegetables, or fruit seedlings. Gardening has become increasingly popular, and many customers enjoy decorating their homes with indoor and outdoor plants. As your nursery grows, you can also sell pots, fertilizers, gardening tools, and plant care accessories. Offering planting tips and care guides builds customer trust while encouraging repeat purchases and long-term business growth. Balloon decoration business. A balloon decoration business designs colorful balloon arches, centerpieces, backdrops, and themed decorations for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, graduations, and corporate events. Creative balloon arrangements can instantly transform a venue and make celebrations more visually exciting. As your portfolio expands, clients may book complete event decoration packages that include photo booths, table styling, and themed displays. High-quality work and creative designs can lead to repeat bookings and referrals throughout the year.